ladies and gentlemen. Hope you can hear me again. Down here on the Canadian River. We're gonna give it a try. But again, we're fishing. Everybody comes to fish. Probably way overfished. Closest to home, so easy. Sorry, fellas. I can't. I'm trying to video. I'm catching some small ones, some dinks. Just caught this little drum. Probably gonna keep him for some catfish bait. But I can't set my camera up anywhere. It is way too windy. It keeps blowing over, and I like my phone a little too much to let it go in the water or in the sand. We'll try it again. Anyways, missed that one. As I was gonna say, I started looking around, and I noticed somebody had done been here. Looks like today. Fishing with chicken. I don't know what's on my pole. It's something's not feeling right. Not feeling legit. That is the second time that I have been swooped for my chicken. I've never lost chicken that easy in my life. I think these fish are professional chicken wranglers. With everybody fishing with chickens anymore. Alright, fella, we hooked up here. I'm sorry, Alright, fellas, we hooked up here. Ooh. We're gonna see what we got. I'm sorry I can't hold the camera the whole time. We're gonna see what we got. Let's see if I can hold the camera right there. The camera's there. Sorry, guys. Wait. Channel cat. Bill Dance style. Wow. Now I'm gonna let you fellas look at this. Look how that hook has went plumb through that sucker and out. Now that's a circle hook for you. Yeah. Oh. Again, guys, I'm so sorry about this video. I'll get me more better equipment eventually. That is not a bad size channel cat, fellas. Let's go. And the release. There you go, buddy. There you go. Thank you. We hooked up again, fellas. I'm gonna put the camera here again and see how we can do it. Sorry, again. Another decent one. darn Tortuga. Look at there. And I caught him by his back foot. Acting like a clown. You see that? Look at them numbers. Man, oh man, I hate catching turtles. And the release of the turtle. Yeah, I know some people don't release them. Get out of here.